In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download ChatGPT app on your computer. If you have ever wondered if you can download ChatGPT on your desktop, then the answer is yes, it is possible, and let me just show you how. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go and log into this website called openai.com. Now, you want to go on this column and look for ChatGPT, and as you can see here, we have ChatGPT available. Now this will open this interface. So if you just want to start to use ChatGPT, the web version, you can just go ahead and tap on or click on start now, and this will take you to your ChatGPT and you can start keying in your question and asking your question. However, if you want to get a desktop version, all you need to do is to go and choose this option, download the app, and when you tap on it, we have the option to download ChatGPT either on a mobile or a desktop. So if you scroll down here, you can see we have the mobile ChatGPT and the desktop ChatGPT. And we have these two available either for Mac OS or Windows. So choose one depending on your computer. So for my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll choose this. So let's go ahead and download the Windows version, and I'll go ahead, click on it. And now, as you can see here, this has taken me to Microsoft Store where we can find ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is here. So I'll go ahead and download ChatGPT by clicking on this download button. And as you can see, it has been downloaded, and here it is. Now, the next thing I want to do is to go ahead and install it. So I'll just install it. So let me go ahead and run as an admin. And now I have an option here to install it, and I can go ahead and open it now. And here our app is now opening. If you are wondering where is ChatGPT on the desktop, we can have this pinned to start menu. As you can see, our app is here. Now all you need to do is to right click on it and then pin to start, and it has been added here. So this is the shortcut of getting your ChatGPT on your desktop. And whenever you want to log into your ChatGPT app, all you need to do is to come to start menu here and then tap on it, and you are good to go. So that's how you download ChatGPT on your Windows and start using it. So let me know if this video was helpful to you. Kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.